Good morning, friends. Indian English drama. After independence, I have discussed about the Indian English dramatists who have played a major role to enrich the drama of the India. And today I want to discuss about the Indian English dramatist, contemporary Indian English woman dramatist. Contemporary Indian English woman dramatist, friends, in the present era, the genre of the drama has also attracted the woman dramatist. Today, in the modern era and also the genre of the drama has also attracted the woman dramatists to try their hands in the field of the drama, and in the field of the theatre. Among the woman dramatists, Manjula Padmanabhan is the great dramatic figure. Manjula Padmanabhan is the great dramatic figure and demands of the special attention to contribution of the Indian English drama and the tradition of the Indian English drama. Friends, there are so many women writers played a very vital role. There are so many Indian women dramatists played a vital role to enrich the Indian English drama. Friends, I have written the name of the women dramatists who have played a major role, who have played a vital role to enrich the Indian English drama more successfully in the history of the English literature. Friends, I have given the name Deena Mehta. Deena Mehta, a Parsi dramatist. He belongs to the Parsi community, and she wrote, Deena Mehta, she wrote in the Parsi and also the English language. Another dramatist, P. Sen Gupta, Mahasweta Devi. Another one is Uma Parmeshwaram and Manjula Padmanabhan. These writers, these ladies, these women played an important role, a vital role to enrich the Indian English dramatist. So let's friend, we discuss about a greatest woman dramatist, Mahasweta Devi was a prolific playwright, deserves the special mention. She has authored a good number of the novels. And so many articles she produced. Her writing, her publication, or more than he wrote 200 books. More than Mahasweta Devi, she wrote 200 books. Mahasweta Devi 200 કરતા વધારે બુકો લખેલી છે. She originally wrote in Bengali language because she belongs to the Bengal, and her works have been translated into major languages of the India. Her work have condemned. In her writing, she developed the deep on the problems and the issues. In her writing, she focused on the deep issues and unreached and unjust masses. Unjust masses. She always talk about the unjust people, untouchable people, downtrodden people. Downtrodden એટલે સમાજના અંદર જે કચડાયેલો વર્ગ છે, સમાજના અંદર જે વર્ષોથી પડી રહેલો વર્ગ છે, કચડાયેલો વર્ગ છે, દરબાયેલો વર્ગ છે, એના વિશેની વાત લઈને જો કોઈ લેખિકા આવતી હોય તો એ મહાશ્વેતા દેવી છે. કોણ છે? મહાશ્વેતા દેવી. She registered her protest against the violation or the basic human rights. She protested the violation or basic human rights. Basic human rights. She always protest the violation. समाजना अंदर जे हत्याओ, अहिंसा, हिंसा થઈ રહી છે, આ હિંસાઓ ઉપર લખે છે. And she wrote about the human rights. She wrote about the human right. Even also she wrote about unprivileged section of the society. Unprivileged section of the society like women. Unprivileged society like women, Dalit, downtrodden, children, etc. Children, બાળકો ઉપર પણ લખે છે. Children ઉપર પણ લખે છે. Mahasweta Devi is the writer of the commitment. Mahasweta Devi is the writer of the commitment. वो जुस्सानी साथे commitment ની સાથે લખે છે. And her writing display the social commitment and concern. Her writing display the social commitment and concern. Mahasweta Devi show always angry. Mahasweta Devi always show angry. हमेशा गुस्साમાં તમને જોવા મળે. And at the social unjust and the inhuman tradition or inhuman treatment to the underdogs without any rights and the reasons in our hierarchical social construction and structure. આપણા સમાજના અંદર જે સ્ટ્રક્ચરો ઊભા થયેલા છે, આ સ્ટ્રક્ચરો વિશે ઇનહ્યુમન અમાનવીય વર્તનની વિરુદ્ધમાં, સ્ત્રીઓ ઉપર જો અત્યાચાર થાય તો એના વિરુદ્ધમાં, દલિતો ઉપર અત્યાચાર થાય તો એના વિરુદ્ધમાં, અને બાળકો ઉપર અત્યાચાર થાય તો એના વિરુદ્ધમાં ઓલવેઝ મહાશ્વેતા દેવી, a greatest dramatist of the India, and she focused on that particular things, on that particular things. Friends, since the drama is the most powerful means to bring the change in the society, we know drama is the most powerful weapon to change the society. એ સમયે આ ડ્રામા એ જે હથિયાર હતું, weapons હતું સમાજને બદલાવ લાવવા માટેનું. And she present through the drama and it the heart-rending problems and constraints of the marginalized Indian masses, which in fact constitute a large section of our society. In her play, Water, Mahasweta Devi એ બહુ સરસ મજાનું નાટક લખ્યું છે, નામ છે Water. In her play, Water, Mahasweta Devi, she dramatized the grave problems of the like gender and the caste discrimination. Mahasweta Devi જે છે વોટર નામના નાટકના અંદર gender issues, she shows the gender issues and caste discrimination. She spoke about the gender issues and ધ કાસ્ટ ડિસ્ક્રિમિનેશન, જે મેલ ફિમેલના જે ભેદભાવો છે, સ્ત્રી અને પુરુષનો જે ભેદભાવ છે, જાતિગત જે ભેદભાવો છે, આ ભેદભાવો ઉપર મહાશ્વેતા દેવી રેઝિસ ધ વોઇસ અગેન્સ્ટ these two things. Mahasweta Devi raises voice against the two things and exploitation and violation of the basic human people and the rights of the lower caste people. Also, she denotes the rights of the lower caste people. Mahasweta Devi also raises the voice against the violation of the lower caste people and also the basic human rights of the lower caste people. And what is the basic need of the human existence to the earth? We know without water we cannot live. Without water we cannot live in this particular earth. And water is the basic. Water is the basic need for the every human being. And the play water captures the realistic pictures of the Daniel of the water. The play water captures the realistic pictures of the Daniel of the water to the downtrodden people and the tribal people in the countryside of the West Bengal. Mahasweta Devi જે છે, મહાશ્વેતા દેવી વેસ્ટ બેંગાલના અંદર, પશ્ચિમ બંગાળના અંદર જે એસટી કોમ્યુનિટી છે, આ એસટી કોમ્યુનિટીને પાણીની જે સમસ્યા હતી, આ સમસ્યા માટે એને એમ કે મુદ્દો ઉઠાવેલો છે. એન્ડ she often depicts the brutal oppression of the tribal people. She often depicts the brutal oppression of the tribal peoples and the untouchable by the potence ઓથોરિટેરિયન જે માણસોએ આજ દિન સુધી ઓથોરિટી જમાવીને બેઠા છે, હક જમાવીને બેઠા છે, સમાજ પર પ્રભુત્વ જમાવીને બેઠા છે, એમની સમક્ષ she raises the voice against the authoritarian. She raises the voice against the authoritarians and the upper class landlords and the upper class landlords. જે upper class સોસાયટીના લોકો છે, જે જમીનદારો છે, આ જમીનદારો જે આ લોકોને કચડી રહ્યા છે, એના વિરુદ્ધમાં મહાશ્વેતા દેવી raise the voice in the play water. In the play water. Friends, also she has written the source of her inspirations. Mahasweta Devi is the writer of the commitment I have told you. Her writing states, friends, the social commitment and concern. I have told you always she look very angry, and Mahasweta Devi recently has been shepherding the movement against the industrial policy of the government. Mahasweta Devi raises the voice against the industrialism, the policy of the government, industrialization. Always Mahasweta Devi nowadays she raised the voice against the industrial policy and West Bengal lands. Especially she criticized and confiscated the large tracts of the fertile agricultural land. આજે જે ફળદ્રુપ જમીનો જે છે, ફળદ્રુપ જમીનો નજીવા ભાવે ઉદ્યોગપતિઓને જે વેચી દેવામાં આવે છે, એના વિરુદ્ધમાં મહાશ્વેતા દેવી raises the voice against the industrializations, the part of the West Bengal, the part of the West Bengal. And water is the outstanding play written by Mahasweta Devi. Water is the outstanding play written by Mahasweta Devi. And she connected the policy of the commercialization also. She is connected, or she has connected with the policy of the commercializations of Shantiniketan of the Rabindranath Tagore, and where she spends her formative years. રવિન્દ્રનાથ ટાગોરનો એક આશ્રમ છે, નામ છે શાંતિનિકેતન આશ્રમ. ત્યાં મહાશ્વેતા દેવી પોતાનું જે જીવન છે વિતાવી રહી છે. She spent her life in the Shantiniketan ashram.